Hello, Nanaimo. Thanks for tuning in. I want to remind everyone that COVID-19 is a health matter overseen by the federal and provincial governments. We get no better information here than you do in the city of Nanaimo, but the public health officer, our provincial government, are being open and transparent with us around what number, if any, we have of cases in the city of Nanaimo. As a community, we're adjusting. These are extraordinary times. These are not times that any of us probably ever thought we would live through and see. But we have to act as a single community. We have to be responsible to and responsive to one another to ensure that we all come through this together. That means helping your neighbor. It means picking up groceries for them. It means doing some cleaning. It means giving them whatever assistance you can. And it is most especially being conscious of the fact that they may be suffering in ways that they haven't explained to you, so be sensitive. Be attuned to other people's feelings. Some face severe health problems already and are extremely worried about the possibility of contracting the virus. So do the practical things that will save this community from worse consequences. Wash your hands. Prevent the transmission of the virus. Self-isolate if you're feeling ill. Self-isolate as much as you possibly can. Make sure you stay 6 feet apart from people. Social distancing is important. Give our community the best chance. And also remember that there are businesses in our community, people who are losing their jobs because of a lack of patronage at our stores and with respect to our services. Go out and spend some money if you have it. Help sustain the citizens in our community. They are your neighbors, your friends, and your loved ones. But at the same time, don't hoard. There is no shortage of toilet paper. The largest manufacturer of toilet paper consumed in Canada is right here in Canada. We're not importing toilet paper. We don't need to import toilet paper. So for heaven's sakes, use what you need, buy what you need, and the same with all the other supplies, whether it's groceries or whatever. Order in some food. Help one of those struggling restaurants that can't keep its doors open. And in the background behind all of this is a city staff and council that are working behind the scenes to ensure, as we constantly evaluate the situation, and we follow the directions of the Chief Medical Health Officer in the province of British Columbia, that we are continuing to sustain a united front against this virus. We are going to get through this. And remember, the essential services provided by your city, you can continue to rely on them. Your garbage is being picked up, your recycling is being picked up, the water flows out of your tap, some of the best water in the world. Public Works is keeping things running. Everyone is putting it out there as much as they possibly can on your behalf. The front doors may be closed, but we're open for business. Do it online, do it with the telephone, and keep in mind the wise words of the prophet Elijah, as my old campaign manager Joyce Scott used to remind me. The sun will come up tomorrow and the grass will continue to grow. Together we're going to get through this, my friends. And someday we'll look back and say, I survived, we survived, what was one of the most difficult challenges this community ever faced, but we did it together as a community.